In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete files from Google Drive. If you want to keep your Google Drive organized, removing files you no longer need is a simple and effective place to start. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to delete a file from your Google Drive using the web version, and I'll keep it easy to follow from beginning to end. First, go to your Google Drive home. This is the main page where you can view your files, folders, and recent activity. Once you're there, give the page a moment to fully load so you can clearly see the menu and your stored items. Next, click on My Drive in the left-hand column. This section shows the files and folders that are stored directly in your drive. If you're not already in that area, selecting My Drive makes it easier to locate the file you want to remove. Take a second to look through your files and confirm that you're selecting the correct one before deleting anything. Once you find the file you want to delete, click on the three dots next to that file. These three dots open the More Options menu, which gives you access to additional actions you can take for that file. If you don't immediately see the three dots, you may need to hover your mouse over the file first, depending on how your drive is displayed. After the menu opens, click on Move to Bin. This will remove the file from my drive and place it in your bin. This is helpful because the file is not permanently erased right away. So if you delete something by mistake, you may still be able to recover it from the bin later. That's all it takes to delete a file from Google Drive. The main thing to remember is that moving a file to the bin is the first step in removing it from your active storage. If you're cleaning up multiple files, you can repeat the same process for each one. As a quick tip, always double-check the file name before moving it to the bin, especially if you have documents with similar titles. Staying organized in Google Drive can make it much easier to find important files later and free up space for the things you actually want to keep. And that's how to delete files from Google Drive.